Hey guys, Dr. Rodman here with Sports Chiropractic. We had a question on our Instagram about how to strengthen the shoulder external rotators. So the external rotators of the shoulder, they do this motion, external rotate, whether you're in this position or this position. And it was a CrossFitter asking us, and yes, external rotators are very important for CrossFit because a lot of times you're getting your arm in this position, so they do need to be strong. So there's a link on this video that'll take you to our blog and has exercises you can do. But one of the main things I want to emphasize is actually releasing or loosening up a tight internal rotator. So our internal rotators are like our pec major, our lats, our subscapularis, and our anterior deltoid. So one thing you can do to release that or get it to be looser is to get a ball, get onto the pec, and mobilize it like this. And also you can use a foam roller for the lats in this position. If you loosen up those, that'll help.